hindi pwede yung masarap sa akin, masarap din sa iba.
Guys, napuntahan nyo na ba itong bagong open na coffee shop dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga? Kung hindi pa, together, let's discover the daily coffee. So, titingnan natin mga pagkain nila at the same time, let's see kung magkano ba ang presyo dito. So tara, let's go!
Daily afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I'm Yves Season. I'm one of the owners. Actually, we're 4 siblings in the company. Kasi yung mga sisters ko, and yung brother ko, they're fan of drinking coffee. Not only coffee, but also different types of drinks. And we want to venture out. Kasi ibang business yung sa family ko. But this time, we would want to be more of the food and drinks naman. As we all know, ang maraming coffee shop ngayon sa Pampanga, no? Sobrang dami. But si TDC, yung quality and the price talagang nagtugma. Kasi yung price range namin is only from 85 pesos. At the same time, the quality itself, the ingredients that we're using talagang hindi namin siya tinipid.
Okay, so before we start, syempre, papakilala muna natin yung mga food dito. So, on our table, meron tayong mga drinks and yung mga starters natin. So, on our starters, meron tayo dito yung kanilang ham and cheese panini, which is 125 pesos. And yung nachos naman is 195 pesos. So, for our burger, meron tayong cheeseburger dito, 195 pesos. And for pasta naman, the carbonara, this is only for 170 pesos. And for our drinks naman, so meron tayo dito yung kanilang kiwi fizz, caramel macchiato, java chips, and yung kanilang strawberry matcha. So for the price naman, they are ranging from 60 pesos hanggang 190 pesos yung pinakamahal. For that price, makakapag-dine in ka na dito sa may the daily coffee. And speaking of budget, talagang swak na swak to sa budget nyo. So, the next thing to do natin, let's eat it.
We really want to cater all taste preferences. Meron matamis, may maasim, may matapang, may tama lang. Meron yung sobrang tamis din. Kasi alam naman natin yung panlasa ng tao. Hindi pwede yung masarap sa akin, masarap din sa iba. So, kailangan namin i-cater yung ganong ano. And at the same time, we want to cater all walks of life. Kahit yung taong napadaan lang, yung taong gusto talagang magkape, yung taong gusto mag-relax. Kaya yung naging price range namin is really welcoming to the market.
Next to taste naman natin yung kanilang ham and cheese panini. Look at this one. Diba? Nice! Habang kumakain tayo, let's talk about the place naman. So the place can accommodate around 20 to 25 packs. Simple, elegante, pero masarap mag-chill. Nice, it's good.
Si TDC Baliti is now our 9th branch. We started a very small kiosk sa may intersection, sa may Yundi, Pampanga. And then eventually nag-evolve siya to really inline coffee shop. And this is the first time that we will be catering a full menu. When I say full menu, may food na, may cakes na kami, may pastries na, and at the same time, the drinks itself. 2 branches in Angeles City, sa likod ng museo, sa may simbahang malaki. Isa sa may station, 6 sa may crossing. Meron din sa Pandan, Bacolor, Guagua. And our 10th branch will be in Florida Blanca.
Okay, to end our video, so if you want to go here sa may daily coffee, this is located lang dito sa may MacArthur Highway, Barangay Saguin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, tapat siya ng Coca-Cola. And they are open from 7 a.m. up to 2 a.m. Monday to Sunday. If nagustuhan niyo yung mga pagkain na pinakita namin, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.